Thank you, Marlene. So, we're standing in the cleaning and laundry area with the products from We Cherish collection placed in a combination we call Clean and Care. To my guide and help, I have the team from R&D with Ekaterina and Daniel, industrial designer at Pelle Group. We're starting with the cleaning products placed here in a 60 wide cabinet. So, Ekaterina, what can we find here in the top?
Here we have the utility holder, and usually it's quite difficult to find place for large items like mop or tube for a vacuum cleaner. And here we have holders for them, and also, it snaps really easy. Yeah. And also the small box where you can have the nozzles or mops or cleaning clothes, whatever you need, and you can store easily them there. And also there is a small hook where you can hang your cleaning clothes.
And it's right, you can also place it in either on the left and the right side.
Yeah, absolutely. You can use it both on the right and the left where you need it.
It's a very smart item. So moving along to this cleaning store box. What can we say about that?
Yeah, and for sure in cleaning cabinets you always will have the cleaning detergents or something like that. And we see that it's quite a good place to store them, because from the front you can easily have a good overview and you see what you stored there, and for sure you can easily access them. And for sure here we're using a small hook too that you can place where you need and to hang cleaning clothes. And also you can see you have a place to store your vacuum cleaner tube hose. And also this box can be easily taken out and washed when you need it, because you're storing the detergents there, for sure.
Yeah, very smart, and actually lots of storage for detergents. So we move along to the cleaning to go. What is this?
Yeah, right, I like it a lot. Yeah, because for sure you have a storage place at one place, but you may need to clean things somewhere else, for example windows cleaning. And here you can have like this to-go box, which you can easily take with you. And for sure you can sort things by the purpose. If you need cleaning windows, you have it here. Or you can organize your storage as you want to. And usually kind of the standard combination is the one to-go box, but you always can add more. So it fits up to 3 to-go boxes.
Smart hook.
Right, and you can use it here.
Like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Very smart. So the last item for the cleaning products is this recycling single flip. What can we say about that?
Yeah, right. And we found out that in some homes you need an extra space for waste management, and here it's a good option. First, it's quite compact and you can place it quite tight in between. And also, yeah, right, you can easily flip it, put things and close it, and it's quite intuitive process. And you can have both placed, one higher, one lower, and it's enough space to place them two next to each other. And for sure you can easily take it out if you need it.
That was all products for cleaning. Now we move along to Daniel, and you're going to help us to explain the laundry products.
For sure. So with our laundry products, we wanted to focus on clean clothes to clean clothes. And what I mean by that is that we wanted to follow the clothes in the laundry process. So we wear them initially, and then we put them, for instance, in a laundry compartment, which you can put, for instance, down here. After that, we launder them in the laundry machine, and then we dry them and we iron them, and then we put them back in the clothes compartment. So what we got here is that next to the washing machine, we got our pull-out drying rack, which is sort of a development of the well drying rack. And in my case, I've got a really big inconvenient drying rack to work with. And what we wanted to do here is that we want to incorporate it into the laundry environment in a very compact and easy to use way. So in this case, we put it in the top drawer next to the washing machine. So you can put your wet clothes directly into the drying rack like this.
Very convenient and smart to store in a drawer space. So move along to next product. Right. This is actually my favorite product. What is this?
So you got your dry clothes, hopefully, and after that some you put in your wardrobe, some you want to iron. So this product we actually had before. So this is the pull-out ironing board, and the good thing with this is that it's really small. It also fits in the top drawer, and it pulls out in one fluid motion like this. Oh. So a rather big product that you have to store somewhere or in a cabinet that we can put in a top drawer like this.
Very smart and convenient, and I really like this compact solution. So the last item for our laundry product, what is this?
So this is a new iron holder, and the good thing with this product is that it fits more or less every iron on the market. So you can have small iron or large iron, and it should still fit and hold the iron in place. And we designed this to really fit in the general environment of the laundry room. So I think it looks really nice, even if you put it on the outside of a wall like this, so you can put it on the inside of the cabinet if you like that.
And also one very smart function is that you can place a really, really hot iron towards the back of the iron holder with this distance. And also this hook to hang the cord. So this was the last product in the We Cherish collection, and I want to thank you for the presentation and your support. And if you find this product suitable for your assortment, then don't hesitate to contact us today, and we will support you further. Thank you so much.
Laundry and cleaning area is something that we just need to take care of. And that's also how we handle it in the industry. We try to create functions based on kitchen solutions. We are now moving and taking the next step out to the market. We Cherish gives the kitchen designer the opportunity to create a stimulated laundry and cleaning area. I'm proud to be a part of this. It will be more fun and help the customer in their lives. We Cherish.